The purpose of any enterprise zone is to focus public sector investment so that it provides the right environment for businesses. We've got a site of 140 acres. Our prime objective is to create quality office space right in the heart of the city. That's a massive investment. Together with that, we will be looking at architectural treatments to new buildings with quality landscaping. We will also be investing into an interchange transport system which will develop into the City Cardiff Bay metro transport system.
Over the next 4 to 5 years, the enterprise zone will really put Cardiff on the map and make it one of the destination cities for business in Europe. It's directly accessible by rail, it's close to the centres of business in South Wales. There's a great workforce that one can enthuse and incentivise to join those businesses. The other point is that now we're seeing a real effort on the part of the enterprise zone to acquire assets and to convert those assets in the form of sites into prospective buildings over the next 2 years, which really does offer prospective tenants a lot.
It's a city that, a bit like the Welsh rugby team, it punches above its weight. It stands up there with the best of UK cities. What sets Cardiff apart is its people, its workforce. We are a capital city and we're the nearest capital city to London. By 2018, the train times there after electrification will be 100 minutes. We are one of the lowest cost bases in the UK. Couple that with our labour cost, it makes compelling reading for inward investors coming in, and I think it's a massive leverage and for back office functions to come into the city of Cardiff.
With the connectivity to the local universities, there's a really good pool of people from which we can recruit who are very skilled.
The companies for which we have got a reputation are contact and shared service centres, and we are exploiting too quite successfully the outsourcing of HR services, legal and professional corporate type services. But predominantly we're looking at financial investment business.
The data storage facilities are excellent here. Broadband connectivity is really, really good. It's one of the 10 selected UK cities for improved super broadband. It's also widely recognised for its approach on greener energy suppliers, which is great news.
We have the support of a pro-business government there that will provide the key decision makers through a single point of contact to tailor, if you like, the needs of businesses with the array of different support packages that the government can provide. And some of those support packages could involve rapid deployment, if you like, for property requirements. It could involve funding. It could involve giving grants to new employees. If you are an SME, you could qualify for business rate relief, and that could be up to $55,000 a year.
There's a fantastic amount of leisure opportunity and also a great deal of support in terms of the educational system and the university system too. So it's a great place to live and work and to bring up a family.
It's a wonderful place to live.